Hey everybody, it's Amy Graham, the Badass Valkyrie. Sorry I did not have a video last night. I got home from work and Greg was not feeling great, but we went ahead and did adventure date night when we went to, what was it called?
Southern Kitchen.
Southern Kitchen. And it is an amazing restaurant here in Salt Lake City and highly recommend it. We gave it 5+ gram stars. If we could have given it 6, we would have, but we don't do 6. So 5+. And we rate our adventure date nights. So there's a little hint into our weirdness. But I am getting ready to leave for the airport for New Orleans and go see my best friend and go see Cher. So I've spent all morning just kind of getting ready slowly, and this has been like the least stressful trip to get ready for. Probably because I'm only going to be there Thursday night, Friday night, Saturday night, and then I leave Sunday evening. Yet, let me just show you. My bag with all of my stuff I'm taking onto the plane, my purse, my coat and scarf, and then my giant bag for 3 days that has 4 pairs of shoes in it, including a pair of boots. Because I can't not be prepared to have different options for New Orleans. So I'm just gonna lean up here against my stairs. But I am taking my Hobonichi Cousin Avec and my Traveler's Company Traveler's Notebook, and oh, I forgot to tell you guys. Monday night, I placed my Hobonichi order. That's right. Woohoo! Greg handed me his credit card, and sorry, I'm doing this trying to hold it, and my hands are like ah. Anyway, here I'm just gonna come back over here, sit down. Sorry if I'm wandering around, but Greg gave me his credit card, and so I got on Hobonichi's website, and for those of you who are wondering, I already have my Shoe Watch Weeks, which is the Ultraman Weeks, and I already have my Cousin Avec because a friend of mine decided she wasn't going to use hers, and so I went ahead and bought hers. Thank you again, Kim. So what I ordered was the A6 English Planner, which I will use in my morning routine, which is what I've been using, and I really love it. I also got an A6 Avec, which there are a couple of things I possibly will use it for. I got the 2 sizes in the black and orange covers. I got the A6 and the A5 with covers on covers. I got Wild in the Night and Wild in the Forest, the 2 cover on covers that have the animal prints on them and the trees and stuff from last year. I really liked those, and I was really excited that they were still available. I also got 2 sets each of the tabs, the Wave, the Forest, and the Wave, the Forest, and the Ocean? No, that's the Wave. The Wave is the blue, the Forest is green, the Sunshine? Whichever ones are the orange. Because what I do is I actually alternate them. So all of them, so I'll take one of the green, one of the blue, one of the orange, and just repeat that. And I will be using them in all of my books. So both A6s, my Cousin Avec, my Jibun Techo, my Weeks. And you may be wondering, that leaves one more set. The last thing that I got, book-wise, was the Blue Black Sneaker Weeks. because there is something that I want to do with that. And it will actually, I'm hoping that it's actually going to fit in my personal traveler's notebook and go in my handbag with me. And that way I can use it for a number of things instead of having, 6 different inserts. I can actually use that for my weekly and my monthly and notes and all of that. So here's hoping, because it is smaller. Hopefully, and I know that the regular weeks will fit in a personal, in the new size personal from Chic Sparrow. And so, and that's what I have is the Chronos, which that's what I love. But if it doesn't, guess who's going to make one herself? I may still do that anyway. But I already have a couple of things that I'm going to work on when I get home. One being when I was trying to find my covers for my Kindle, I'm like, I should just make a sleeve that I can put my Kindle in, because I do have a sleeve, but it was for a smaller version of it, and it took me almost 10 minutes to get the damn thing out. So I'm going to make a leather sleeve. First thing I'm going to do. Figure that's about as easy as possible. Anyway, tangent. So I'm going to have 2 weeks. My shoe watch, which is my self-care and everything that it has been. But the sneaker weeks is just going to be in my handbag, and it's going to be replace several of the inserts that I've got in my personal. Other than that, I have one other thing, and I'm so excited. I got the Wandervogel. So it has been so cute, and I've just been dying to have it. So I got the A6. And the A6 Cousin of Eck is going to go in that. But yeah, I didn't really like the A5 one. And I have a zip cover for my A5, which is the tambourine, which was for almost 3 years ago, I think. The only other one that I really would love to have is the fluorescent orange tambourine, and the lime. Actually, it was a different kind of material. They had a lime green in the A5, and then they had the orange with pink tambourine circles in it. I would love to have both of those, but I can never find them, ever. So, or if I do, they're like beat to crap. So if anybody ever sees any of those, I'm still on the lookout for those. Other than that, it should be here. I just got shipping notice this morning from Japan, so it should be here in 10 business days. Which would, let's see, today is the 12th, but be 22nd, so right before Christmas. I am not sure if look at that, he's on there for longer than 6 seconds. Woo, wave. He is, I'm not sure if he's going to let me open it. I'll do an unboxing no matter what. But then I may have to wrap it back up and put it under the tree. I guess we won't do that because we don't have a tree. So anyway, just know that there will be a wildly giddy unboxing. I also got on Monday my Death Wish birthday presents, which is the Krampus Christmas sweater. Yay! And the Valhalla Java hoodie, because my husband is awesome. So awesome. And I still have no idea what you want for Christmas, other than a Bell Jet Ranger helicopter.
That's it.
That's his traditional, this is what I want, because he knows that I will never, ever, ever be able to get him one of those. But who knows? Someday. Maybe. Anyway, I am going to get off of here so I can get this uploaded really quickly before I leave. And then we are headed out to the airport. So from today, I am taking my iPad with me, but some of the video that you may see might be on my phone because I'm not going to carry this around with me in New Orleans. No. So some of the video for the next 2 to 3 days are going to be on my phone. So sorry about the smaller profile, whatever this thing is. But yeah. Anyway, I am looking forward to seeing my best friend and to have her on camera with me for you guys. And if you guys have questions for me or for her, please, please, please post them down below. And we will go through them and try to get them answered. And yeah, I'm looking forward to share. Looking forward to seeing Kelly and spending time with her and exploring New Orleans. So also, if you have suggestions, I know several of you have left me places that I need to go. But tomorrow afternoon and Saturday, and then Sunday morning, we will be exploring. First thing tomorrow morning, chicory coffee and beignets at Cafe Du Monde. So excited. And I'm going to a couple of stationery stores. Very excited about that. So, yeah, if you guys have any suggestions for me, please feel, and I keep looking at the wrong place. I don't know. You'd think I would learn for however many years I've been using this iPad, but it just seems weird that I am looking like at a tiny little dot over here, and then it feels like you guys are over here. Anyway, can you tell I'm excited? A little bit. Anyway, I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. Tomorrow is my birthday, 53 years old. Ugh! But honestly, life only keeps getting better. So, and I'm very excited to see what 2020 brings for myself, my husband and I, my little family, and my chosen family, as well as all my friends and all of you. So I'm looking forward to it being a very healthy, good year. Here's hoping. So I will talk to you soon. And as always, spend the rest of your life celebrating because it is worth every minute. So I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye.